What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, High Tyler. I don't know. Well, this is more High Tyler. My fault, y'all. This is more High Tyler. But I think I'm done with the Jeep content for right now. I'm about to change this. I'm about to make this channel my fashion channel, and my more High Tyler my vlog channel. Yeah, I like that. Or I don't know, yeah. We just going through the works right now. But yeah, right now I'm deciding on what I should do. I might make this channel the High Tyler, and make the other one more High Tyler because it's more vlog content for y'all. Feel me? So yeah, we just came from Walmart. I'm gonna show y'all my pickups. So basically today's video, as y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, it will be how to take out seams in your shorts, because you know the summer coming up, and I know y'all boys want to get fresh as hell for the summer. You feel me? So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the shorts I copped, and it really don't matter. Oh, hold on, let me try and get them out the bag. So basically I got these shorts right here. You know, I got them from Walmart, y'all. Don't sleep on Walmart, y'all, because they be having it. Like, sometimes they be having it. At first I wasn't gonna get them until I seen, like, I had an idea with these. I really like these. So yeah, so basically we're not gonna stay in the car for long. I'm gonna obviously go inside. So yeah, we're gonna be taking this seam out to let them. I'm gonna pop a picture up, like probably like right there. Probably pop a picture up right there and show y'all how the idea that I'm going for, because I feel like this, like, some of y'all don't know, but one thing you will need is a seam ripper for this right here, and I have one already. So if you haven't already, the seam ripper costs probably like $2 at Walmart. So go get a seam ripper from Walmart if you want this type of style in your pants, your shorts, because you can, like, they look crazy when you do it. So I already did my jean shorts like this already, but I didn't record it. So I got another pair of jorts. Well, these not jean shorts, these damn cargo shorts, whatever the hell. So I'm gonna do the same thing to these, and then yeah, we're gonna do the same thing to these. So I'm gonna pick back up the camera when we get inside, when I got the seam ripper and everything like that. So I'm gonna catch our boys in the next clip, and I'm out. So what's good, YouTube? We back, man. Got the shorts right here. Got these things right here for y'all. Fresh out of Walmart, man. So if you hating on Walmart, man, you tripping. Because you really can make something out of nothing with a $2 seam ripper right here. So yeah. So the first thing we're gonna do is, obviously, take the top out of the seam ripper. You need one of these. So I just said in the last clip, go to Walmart, get you one of these, because you will need this. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on. I'm gonna show y'all what the other shorts look like that I did. So let me get them right quick. I'll be right back. We back, man. So these are shorts right here. As y'all can see, hope y'all can see that. I already kind of, I'm gonna just show it again. I already kind of did it for these ones. These are my jorts. I haven't worn them yet or took a picture of them, so I will be doing that. So yeah, first thing you have to do is have to flip the shorts inside out to even get to the end, the seam that you want to take out with. Hope I'm saying it right. I don't know. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. So this is the only thing you really do, man. It's so simple. Just once you put the, I think it's called the needle of the seam ripper. on the seam. Just do it. Just pick it up, man. You just do it all the way around the shorts. It's so simple, bro. It ain't nothing too crazy. It ain't Mission Impossible, man. It's just you sitting here. Just you sitting here, man. Just let me know if y'all like this kind of content or not, because I think I'm gonna just save the car channel stuff for when I get a different car. So if you don't see my Prime JKU Instagram account no more, just know it might be turned into a different account, man. I think I'm gonna transition over and do it a different way, because I feel like clothing is what I really want to do right now. So yeah. And by the way, I got a clothing brand. It's called UKN. Just got the stickers for it. I haven't posted anything about it yet, but I will start posting more about that in the coming up weeks, when I'm waiting on like one thing to get done. So when that one thing is finished, I will be posting a little bit more about that. And as you guys can see, it's already like coming out. You see a whole bunch of dust and shit when you take the seam out of the shorts. So yeah. Then once you got it open, it's just you going all the way through, ripping them up. Be careful when you do the seam ripper. When you use a seam ripper, because I'm gonna be honest, this shit is sharp. It's very sharp. So yeah, feel like I had to just come make this video because the summertime is coming up, and why not stand out like with jorts on and have the your jorts different, man. You might as well. Like, it ain't gonna hurt you, cause they're already coming back in style, man. Cause there's gonna be haters out there that's gonna say, "Oh, why you got on jorts?" Feel like this is the way to go, man. Don't let nobody tell you different. It's whatever you want. It's whatever you really want to do. But yeah, I'm gonna just speed this up for y'all. Then I'm gonna show y'all when I finish this leg. So yeah, I'm gonna pick back up. Y'all boys in a second. I'm gonna do a time lapse so y'all can just see me doing this. I kind of don't want to make this video too long, just cause it's like a fashion video. And you know, you can't bore people too quick. So yeah, I got straight into it. So yeah, this channel gonna be basically my fashion channel now. So I'm gonna just keep the Jeep videos on there, just in case y'all wanna look back and be like, oh wow, he did Jeep content before he did the fashion. So yeah, cause I ain't gonna lie, I like going back and looking at older videos of, let me not sound like a weirdo, I like going back and looking at older videos and be like, damn, like, what kind of content did they do before this? And as you see, like, that's how it looks.
That's not weird though.
That's how it looks after. But I'm gonna show y'all a better glimpse of it when I'm done. So I'm gonna speed up the process. Some time lapse this thing. I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next clip. finished. I didn't even pop a tag off of that. I just kept going. You feel me? So I finished one leg. I can get this other leg out. So I finished one leg of them. So I'm gonna show y'all the difference. So damn, this shit tripping. So as y'all can see, this is how they come. Yeah, that's how they come. Nothing too crazy. Then once you finish with them, they got this little. Bro, that's so tough. I can't even lie. That's hard. You got like the stress look, you know. Yeah, that's hard. They hard. Only thing I feel like you gotta do. I ain't put these shorts in the washer yet, but I will put them in the washer. See if the seams come out of them or not. So yeah, that's why I kind of like doing this to show y'all. So I'm gonna do the rest of these. I'm gonna do this leg and the other leg. Then I'm gonna pick back up the camera when I get finished. I'm gonna show y'all boys the outcome. I would do a montage. I would do a montage of me with the shorts on, but I really don't have the shoes. We don't have the shoes I wanna do this outfit with. So yeah, I will be doing a summer lookbook for y'all boys because I will be getting a couple packages in. But yeah, I will be doing a lookbook for y'all, and you will see the shorts in it. You will probably see all three of these shorts in the lookbook. So yeah, that's how I feel like the summer gonna be cargo shorts and jorts and gray shorts and flares for the whole summer with like a tank top. So yeah. So when I do start the lookbook, y'all boys will see that. So stay tuned for that. So I'm gonna finish these jorts, camo shorts, cargo shorts, whatever the hell you wanna call them, and pick back up the camera. When I do that, I won't do a time lapse no more because I know some people skip over the time lapse and shit. And I feel like I'm talking too damn much. But yeah, so I'm gonna pick back up the camera with y'all in a second, and I'm out. So y'all, we back, man. So finished the. Hold on, I finished all of them. This is how they. Let me bring them out all the way. Finished all of them, man. Hope y'all boys can see that. That's how they look. I wish I would. I would do a lookbook, but yeah, I feel like this is just how you really supposed to do it, man. It really that. I feel like these are like the best way to like distress shorts or just make your shorts look different. So that's how I really feel. Damn. So yeah, that's how I really feel. Yeah, here go the camo ones. I like how they look, kind of like. I like how they look, bro. They look crazy. Oh shit! Just dropped the seam ripper. But yeah, that's how they look, man. And then, just in case if y'all ain't see the jean shorts that I already did, here they go. I feel like the jean shorts give it the best, like the best look. Yeah. So yeah, those are my 3 shorts. I will be doing a lookbook so y'all can see how I style them. So remember, y'all have to get a seam ripper to do any of this, y'all. Y'all have to get a seam ripper. I haven't tried it with scissors, but probably wouldn't recommend this. Probably easier with the seam ripper and scissors. So appreciate y'all for tuning in. This fashion content will be going up every time I get a new piece or design a piece in a way that I want it to be or anything like that. So hope y'all boys stay tuned. Let me know how y'all feeling. If y'all have any questions, comment them down below. Yeah, comment them down below. Have any questions? Y'all just want to talk, comment. It's y'all boys. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch y'all in the next one. And I'm out. If y'all haven't already, like, comment, subscribe. And catch y'all boys in the next one. We out.